Thank you once again for stopping by to the Simply Sarita Open House Social. And I appreciate you all just taking time for me to share the next phase of Simply Sarita and my newest product that I've added to the Simply Sarita favorite go-to gift girl product line, Sanctuary Girl. And so, as promised, I have entered you ladies' names into the We'll Decide and we'll see who wins a special prize. Capricia, congratulations. You get to choose a 31 Gifts product at 31% off. So I just want to say thank you again for coming out. And I cannot wait for you all to receive your Sanctuary Girl products or make your product selection or host your social, your very own social, so you can receive all of your products for free or half price. All right, this is your favorite go-to gift girl, Simply Sarita, reminding you to be blessed, to be organized, but most of all, be the best version of you. Thank you. Have a great day.